blocks about Ghana for more than 150 Ghana. Eti yen miska ye de yen crop for bebe brochire ah sabi ye nya $50 kakra ye de ma ye ayi sabi ye nwan mo Ghana didi no wo se won kwasia party NDC abaifo moja kegu party bebe ntino ye nya abodan 40 se una mo se man man ye esi edu nketie be fa wo yire no mo Africa Canada na for mo ko Ghana na onu mo ko ye demonstration ni ye nko am te se moa abodan for party nyansa nim a papa for our party money na ma pam wo money now because you guys don't want the truth. A papa for our NDC money na ma pam wo money na mudi boka enkurase for leaders you to make catch say wo ye babu no a men go school the we yan say wo ko ni ebisa say wo certificate wo hina according to Joshua Kamba you will stand up for boss and manager and Nusra Kachen say that is your certificate. This is the kind of stupid leaders you want to give us Ghana. NDC for any MPP for after the amajumani so Majimani so on live TV, ABA Fusemi, Abba Fusemi, Jina Oka say, if Kufuadu thinks he's going to have the chance he had in 2017 to 2020, he should think again. Why? They are going to oppose everything they do. They said it before even Parliament started, and they never look back. They never look back. We shall make this country ungovernable. And that's how Belfuano, who come Pentecost, sorry, them, near Fred Otakwa. Belfort for some purpose, Moja good news for some purpose. To me, the Saturn proposes, or your Otako, God will punish all of you for not putting your country first and putting a stupid party that took Ghana hostage, took Ghana back, and still always doing the same bullshit. Enough is enough. We came to meet a democracy to whom much is given, much is tested. You cannot rule a country for 27 years and come and attack somebody who has just spent 5 years. Say he has to fix everything. Moya bottom for more. Mr. We NDC for we 100 there. Mienu and a correct. And Kayemi ni na boka because do I papa kakra woman is gas is yana jene besesa. Do you papa ne dia said one there woman moja kro benum. Until a Kufuado time, Zongo was never mentioned in the budget of Ghana. I want anybody who can show me the budget that included Zongo people. The people who NDC only saw say they are good for snatching ballot box. While President Kufuado is busy paying Arabic teachers, building Arabic and Islamic schools. Another demonic party is saying, we are going to legalize Okada for you because we know it is your people that does Okada more. When we finish, we shall give you mortuary Samole. When you die on the Okada, we have a place to put you. And this is the stupid party you want to kill yourself for. You are from the north. Once upon a time, there was a Northerner who was holding the flag of Ghana high. Dr. Hillel Leman, His Excellency. Somebody came and tell you, say, you people from the north, you are not smart enough to lead the country. So he did a coup and kicked you out and made you backbenchers. I'm over to check ballot box. I would hey now. Bukashi now, Bukashi. Some question, some NDC. God for you people. Adia, and the himself don't go for a ya koto abadia say yi langa de dia ye nim say ye ko zongwa ye aden ne Honorable Mustafa Hamid is an example. Haruna Idrisu he is an example. Abambabe or your example. Why don't you want to be like those people? Those people went to free education, collected double salaries, cheated the system, and are in parliament cutting blade. Your senior sister couldn't go to school because of money. With all the intellect you yourself had, you were not able to go to free education because of money. You were even able to go to school. The only thing you were not able to do was to register for exams because you couldn't pay exams fees. Now, under Nana Kufuado, you are getting all these things at your fingertips, and you tell me you have gained nothing? For those of you who have been following me since I started Political Zone, the day we chose Alban Babe, I came on my page and I did a show. Sister Cynthia and them who are here, Sister Jane, you guys will attest to this. Me catch them say, sa current age parliament way, say omu to me pass 20 bills to crack omu to me pass here, and son na finedua. Me, I will stop doing politics. Go and look at the hands up. Go and look at them. Go and look at them. Now, Mama Mika say mintramo. NDC people have set a precedent, and they are going to pay for it. You know why I'm saying that? Now, MPP are also going to take an entrenched position into their more opposition with the baby again vote for. And from now going, Speaker Belfort Babiye, Speaker me Bogana form, Speaker me pay 1.7 billion. Man farm me pass budget ye. Government only policy. There be any policy. Into momo de ane de. Ye de ane say ye kana wa mpenia near the veranda boys ne. Azoka boys ni mule Jimmy Fono near the Omaba near Meska Kakrama Yokateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share Jimmy Fobi to say Kofi blade no yellow say mon konko ye away demonstration na wa dwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de wo si we su hu ya wo so wo de wo ye Jimmy Fo wo ye NDC ni Jimmy Fo na we su hu ya for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants aye they assemble cars abagana we nyansania me ye nyansani ntini minim say nne na ye hihye ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia kra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama into my shop as a Mahama and Kwane bet to me as a Ghana for 4 years. What Jimmy Momo be brema training yajumo. Obia ye minister, why ye MP, why ye vice president, why ye president, once sa Ghana. Hey, when you serious? I can't 4 years, but. So now do you see the agenda? Ye metungu mene ye ndiska. President Mahama di oba obechiska ubi abidibi. So ubi a wunyansa enye Jimmy Ford to say Captain Smart etiefo no. Meka ubi onim nyansa. Kwana kohwe the policy document for one district, one factory. Na kachire me where it said say government nkwa ne besi those factories no. Mon pointing out to mommy. Captain Smart, I want you to go for the one district, one factory policy. Look at the document, point the line that said, say, government is going to be the sole constructor of these whole factories we are talking about. Bring it out, let us see. But do you know why you are able to do that, Captain Smart? You do that because you have no respect for the people that listen to you. You do that because you have no respect for the Ghanaians who have the like who even takes the chance to even patronize your show. Because per the policy document of one district, one factory, we are told that government in conjunction with private sector, keyword, government in conjunction with private sector will bring one district, one factory. So there are some factories that are going to be started from scratch, that is spearheaded by the government. There are other ones that the government is going to partner with businessmen, such as Ibrahim Mahama, aka Jata Cement. Utie.